So for those of you that are struggling to get 300 or 400 ml of water down with 2 scoops, the answer is, to make it easier, what you do, you half the amount of water and half the serving, and then just have it twice. So what I've got inside here, I've got 150 ml of water. What I'll do, I'll get just 1 scoop of Qenda, which is half a serving for all adults over 40 kilograms. And then obviously put the lid on. You ought to be doing this quite quickly because it can thicken up. Shake it, and drink it fast. So that's 150 ml. And then, like I said, you just repeat the process. So then you have your full 2 scoop serving. I'll put another 150 ml of water in there. Another 1 scoop. Lid on, shake it up fast and glug it down. Nice and simple. Mixing it in a protein shaker and drinking it out of a protein shaker is definitely advised. It's so much easier. Easy as that. So that's a total of 300 ml of water and fluid. So then all you need to do is wash it down with another 300 ml of water, or even 400 if you can. And then the reason why you want to have at least like 600 to 800 ml water total is the psyllium husk mixes with the water and it turns to a jelly-like consistency, and then that can reach all the pockets and areas of the intestines. And drinking it out of a protein shaker makes it so much easier because you've got a spout, you don't get any of the froth, you can't smell it. So if people are having problems with the smell and the taste, you just pop the lid and drink it through the spout, and then that avoids all that. And then because I've only had 300 ml, I'm going to put another 400 ml in now and drink that. Like I said, if you struggle with getting 300, 400 ml down at once, all you have to do is just keep sipping water. If you're getting it in within 5 minutes, it's going to mix up in your stomach. But you really want to be doing it within like a 5-minute window. So I'll just finish this off. I went down the wrong hole. Yeah, and there you have it.